Several early childhood institutions across the corporate area benefited from beautification efforts. Led by the Ministry of National Security, scores of volunteers converged on the grounds of the St. Simon Basic School, dedicating their time to painting and removing debris. Meanwhile, at the Jackson and Ambrook Lane Basic School, community members were out in their numbers. Chanel Matthews was there.
I am Chanel Matthews, and we're here at St. Simon's Basic School, where we'll be speaking with the principal. So, what can we expect? What Labor Day activities are you hosting?
Well, we're actually doing a beautification of the front of the school, and we're also replanting the play equipment in the play area. Most of the students, the children from the community, they come to this school. So when we have our PTA meeting, we encourage them to come in and help with whatever we are doing. We sent out the messages and for them to come in and help. I know we have a lot of parents here, along with the Ministry of National Security, doing the beautification of the schools, and it will also enhance the community at large, and more children will come here.
Well, I'm from this community first and foremost. Here at St. Simon's Basic School, was chosen by the ministry where I work. When the wellness committee reached out to me and say, hey, we really have to take on this. Our inner city community uplifting young minds to do great things is always a passion, and I just feel led that this is a great initiative.
These are the tender ones, we call them youngsters. The first set that would move on to the primary level, and what this does, it treat with some of the issues that is happening, and it gives them a better learning environment. So persons that are not involved, they would have missed out on something great.
Tell me about this project and what motivated you to participate in it.
This initiative came about within the Jamaica Employment Group here in Scotiabank, the Jamaica Operations Center, and we took on this project because we wanted to give back as a part of our social corporate responsibility to our communities. I am personally from this community, and I have grown up here, so I know what is needed here, the support that is needed, and therefore we have decided to use this school for our Labor Day project to give back to our community. So far, we have done some paintings, we have painted the roof, we have changed some fixtures, we have decided to even paint the chairs. We have painted the desk, the walls, and we're currently in the last phase of it where we're fixing up the bathroom doors. For the next project, we look forward for your support. We know that as a team we can accomplish lots more, and we can take on greater projects. For the next project, we can probably still look at this school, to look at other areas that need further development within the community as well, and to just give back to our students. They are the next futures coming up, so we want to ensure that they are taken care of.
This project is an every year project for me. It's not like a one-off thing. From day one towards the giving the strength, take care of the school, keep the school on a level, and so where the youth them come through the school, the community we live. So them time of the area, our time to give back to the community and the school. You get what I say? Our school and our community, so we just keep it on a level, paint up the place and give the teacher them a strength, and give the Scotia people them a pastor a strength, and don't know a strength do the thing.
All members gathered and participated in Labor Day activities, which allowed individuals to contribute to their country and the community at large. Teamwork makes Jamaica stronger each day. Reporting for the news, I am Chanel Matthews.